Let me go with the 14th problem here. Right, a train covers a distance of 60 km in 50 minutes. 60 km in 50 minutes. How much time will it take to cover 210 kilometers? Right. So 60 kilometers in 50 minutes. Right. For 1 kilometer, how much? That is 50 by 60. Right. The coverage is 50 by 60 minutes. For 210 kilometers, how much? That is 50 by 60, correct, into 210. Now simplify it. 0 will be cancelled. 3 2s are 3 7s are. So this will become 50 into 7 by 2. Now again you can simplify. 2 1s are 2 25s are, correct. So 2 1s are 2 25s are. This will become 25 into 7. Just multiply it. 7 5s are 35. 5 3 carry. 7 2s are 14 plus 3 17. So it will take 175 minutes to cover 210 kilometers. You got this? That is 175 minutes. Option A is the right answer.